So I'm trying to service the CVT of Activa 2001. Now here, as you see, the crankcase has been removed. The cover plate has a lot of dust which has accumulated into it, due to which it is affecting the initial pickup and the mileage. As we know, the drive, you see this drive, it has a bit of an shake and then pretty much loose. I will inspect the belt drive and also the CVT variator. Okay, so let's try and service this after we remove the clutch plate and the CVT. Thank you.